With the rapid development of the blockchain and digital cryptocurrency industries, the token economy has entered a high-speed channel. Blockchain has sprung up, creating many myths in the industry. As we all know, 2020 is a year of blockchain landing and integration. Many experts predict that the industry will be further standardized in the second half of the year. Among the many blockchains, the NGK blockchain has struck strongly, leading the three-party community alliance to enter the main network. Today, we will come into the NGK blockchain, and together we will reveal the reason why the NGK blockchain is so much concerned by the industry and outside. Hello, everyone. This is an interview with global finance and economics in mind. Today, I'm honored to invite the Spirit Stone Technical Director of the Blockchain Project, and he's been receiving plenty of attention from the investment market. We will discuss today the top-level underlying structure of the blockchain and the influence of the blockchain. Let us welcome today Mr. Clifton Gilley. Please give a round of applause. Mr. Gilley, kindly introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Clifton Gilley from Silicon Valley, USA, engaged in technology research and development in the field of blockchain. Before the Spirit Stone team, I served as the technical director of a major American IT company and held several senior executive roles in multiple companies. I chose to enter the blockchain industry because I think that the characteristics of the blockchain, a completely shared way, transparent and decentralized, are very suitable for the application in the financial industry. In enterprises such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, supply chain, insurance, and even banks, blockchain can be effectively used as an important technical component. In ngk.io, I am mainly responsible for the research and development of blockchain technology and the research and implementation of cryptographic algorithms.
It sounds like you've had a great career then, Mr. Gilley. Your experience in technology research and development is impressive. Please allow me to understand on behalf of our audience here, in your opinion, in a blockchain for the application of the ecology in the later stage, what underlying architecture is necessary to build in the early stage?
Oh, this is really a very good question. We have to know that as a commercial blockchain, the underlying architecture must be a completely distributed network, and it is not more biased towards centralized or decentralized. The answer to your question is that distributed data storage is necessary because it solves the problem of data loss. Even if the loss only exists on a single node, other nodes are backups. In addition, it is much safer because attacks on all nodes are also in vain and obviously difficult. So distributed is necessary. After years of market research and analysis, we found that there are some problems in the development process of blockchain. Scarce technical talents and high research and development costs. More and more application scenarios require the support of blockchain technology. And the existing blockchain performance with its limited decentralization is not complete enough. Communication between different chains is impossible. Institutions will tend to use alliance chains and private chains, and the trust between the two is not complete. Therefore, providing a reliable architecture that is a completely decentralized network is the focus of our research.
Since a reliable underlying architecture is necessary, please help provide further details on NGK.
Okay, there is no problem at all. The first is the flexible and easy-to-use blockchain infrastructure. Developers and users do not need to study the underlying technical details such as cryptography, consensus mechanism, and storage method. They use a simple and fast programmable environment to directly connect commercial applications, thereby reducing commercial cost of blockchain. ngk.io provides complete modular development based on Turing for developers and users.
This is a very important, simple, and fast programming environment that will attract more users so that the technology can be built. So what is the second point?
The second point is to adapt the massive blockchain application scenarios at the application level. It can be expected that the blockchain will serve as an institution or even an individual in work and life. ngk.io's underlying foundation support through modularization, multi-chain parallelism, smart contracts and other operating mechanisms provide support for various future application scenarios and different needs of the underlying blockchain.
Well, that's very interesting. What else do you think we should consider?
In fact, there are two more points. The third point is particularly important. High-performance commercial blockchain applications have very high performance requirements. However, the existing blockchains provide limited performance. ngk.io is committed to solving this problem. We have adopted parallel expansion technology, and the main chain plus subchain multi-chain parallel operation mechanism is used to separate the business of the main chain and the subchain to meet the needs of millions of TPS. The fourth and last point concerns the balance of the data transparency and commercial confidentiality. For organizations, data confidentiality and security are extremely important, but the open and transparent nature of blockchain makes organizations worry. ngk.io guarantees the confidentiality and security of the business data of the subchain through data isolation and cross-chain audit, and thereby solves the balance between data transparency and commercial confidentiality.
Based on the carefully designed underlying architecture you interpreted, it can be said that NGK is currently the most top-level configuration in the world. Then I would like to ask you, what are the core advantages of the NGK blockchain compared to other blockchains at the technical level?
Our technical R&D team has been researching for many years and finally achieved 7 core technological innovations. Anti-quantum attack, cryptographic algorithm, original anonymous P2P communication network, virtual machine independent architecture, simplified application construction technology, graphene technology and cross-chain technology. Therefore, the NGK blockchain can distinguish its core advantages from other blockchain projects.
The 7 core technologies are superimposed. It sounds like the application of Genesis. You just mentioned the decentralized network. Compared with traditional blockchains, NGK is more decentralized. What is the practical significance?
This is obviously a very good problem. Decentralized structural design usually relies on cryptography, core algorithms, consensus mechanism and smart contracts to achieve the safe operation of the main network. In terms of the NGK blockchain, decentralization means that its operating system will not be controlled by individuals. The decentralized system can avoid the impact of a single node failure on the network. At the same time, the NGK decentralized operating system is much more resistant to attacks. It is almost impossible to simultaneously attack all nodes. The cost to attack a decentralized operating system will be much higher, and attacking any single node will not have an impact, leaving the attackers not able to achieve their goals.
After hearing about the security of NGK, it doesn't sound like a problem at all. I would like to next discuss with you, Mr. Gilley. Since the blockchain technology entered 3.0, countries around the world have been working hard to study blockchain, and various industries are looking for blockchain application scenarios. More and more financial sectors are carrying out blockchain reform, and blockchain technology is also enabling financial entities in both directions. Do you think blockchain technology has any significant role in promoting the reform of the traditional financial industry?
I think you will understand after I explain to you. First of all, finance is suitable for the implementation of blockchain technology because there are many pain points in the financial industry that need to be resolved, such as financial fraud, cross-border payment, cross-bank transfer and service. Problems such as low efficiency due to failures and high operating cost. As an emerging technology, blockchain is intersected with the current technology. In the environment of technology as soil and finance as catalyst, blockchain technology can be integrated into the existing financial system at no cost, which will be the future financial market infrastructure. And since the characteristics of the blockchain are fully shared, transparent, and decentralized, it is very suitable for the application for the financial industry. It can also be effectively used in artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, supply chain, insurance, even banks and other enterprises. Using blockchain as the main technology, value exchange through digital assets, as well as asset contracts, equity certificates, and logistics information can be traced and traded efficiently and at low cost.
Through your interpretation of the underlying technology of the NGK blockchain, Mr. Gilley, we also have a deeper understanding of the NGK blockchain. How will it give NGK a high-quality blockchain platform that is about to go online and attract much attention? This year's less calm blockchain industry and market have injected new vitality. I'm sure we will be watching the development with great interest. That concludes today's interview. A big thank you again, Mr. Gilley, for your time.